Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Open your cameras quickly. Open your cameras quickly. You know it's compulsory to switch on your cameras.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my
Good
camera
morning,
is not
ma'am.
working, so I can't open my camera.
All right. Everyone, open your cameras. Good morning, everyone. Just keep your cameras on. And take out your books, page number 26 by the time. Let me ask others that by the time others are entering, everyone, your book should be open as well as your notebook also. I may ask anyone to open their book and read something from the book. All right. Then if I see you turning the pages that time, I am not going to teach you. Not going to solve any of your queries. If I see anybody of you turning the page when I ask you any question. So keep your books open, page number 26.
Ma'am, which page number?
Alvini, where are you standing and sitting? First of all, sit at one place. इतनी दूर बैठोगी बेटा तो नहीं सुनाई देगा. ठीक है? So sit at one place. I told you many times. It is page number 26.
Progress.
Naman, why your camera is off? Naman, why your camera is off? Yes, and keep it on, Naman. Okay, only one question was left. Okay, we have done till question 5. Now only one question is left, that is question 6. Wait a minute, page number 26. Yuvraj Gupta, beta, read the 6th question. Yuvraj Gupta, read the 6th question.
A man was traveling from town A to town B. He traveled 1,297 kilometers by train, 3,669 kilometers by bus, and 2,145 kilometers by a taxi. Find the total distance covered by him.
Very good. Yes. Arhan, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, speak up.
Ma'am, this question 6 we have done as homework. You said us to do this as homework.
I told you to do it. But I know many of them might not have done. So let me tell you. I told you. I think I told you the what is given here. है ना? Distance covered, distance covered. Like this, I have given to you.
You have statement and then you said as homework.
All right. Now, let me show you the solution of this so that you can check that if this is correct or not. Acha, these students, Ashutosh, Shaurya, okay. Shaurya, Tyagi, open your cameras quickly. Quick, quick, quick.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Palvini.
Ma'am, please send on WhatsApp group and fourth question.
Which question? Fourth question. Palvini, you can
Yes.
check it in. Palvini, you can check it in D group. It's already there in the D group.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So let me show you the answers. Some of you might have not done that homework. So I'm going to show you that answer. Okay. Just give me a second. Okay, now by the time we are going to start some addition facts. Do you have a paper and colors? I asked you to bring it. Do you have a sheet of paper and colors? Go and bring it by the time quickly. We'll do one activity.
Okay, ma'am.
Just go and bring it by the time I'm showing your answers to you.
Ma'am, A4 sheet.
Haan, beta. Yes, Arhan, what? Only one sheet of paper. We will do the activity.
Ma'am, A4.
Any type of sheet, any colored sheet, and some colors. Any type of color you can bring. I'll share that answer on the D group. Okay, sixth one. Go and bring it just quickly. Any type of colors, Yatharth, any type of colors, whatever you have. Now look here, I'm going to teach you about the addition facts. First, nobody will do the, by the time you're bringing your papers,
Ma'am, how many colored sheets?
only one. I'm going to teach you about first about addition facts. Do not write it. First, I will teach you, then I will tell you what to do in that sheet. Bring it quickly.
Ma'am, I have bought it. Ma'am, I have bring it.
All right. And many of you have not submitted your PDF to yet now. I know their names well. Those who have not submitted their PDFs.
Ma'am, what should be the size?
Any size, Bhavya. Bhavya, do one thing. Take a sheet of your size. ठीक है भव्य? अपने साइज की शीट ले लो. ठीक है? हाँ, this one is nice. Yes, ठीक है. बिल्कुल ठीक है वो. ऐसे ही ले लो भव्य, so that you can be covered into that sheet. ठीक है? हाँ. Yes, you will look nice. All right, now open your cameras. I think everyone got it. Mokshit, come back soon. Who else is left? Samar, Kanav, Shaurya. Yes, look here. Now, addition facts. Beta, you know about addition. Now, keep it down for a minute. Keep it down. Fold your arms. Look here on the board. Fold your arms. Samar, I can't see you. Mokshit, Palvini, I can't see your face. Vamika, I can't see your face. Look here. Arav, open your camera, quick. I can't see your face. Just look here. Okay, what are the addition facts? Tell me what is the answer if you add 2 plus 3? If you add what 2 plus 3, how much will you get?
Ma'am, 5.
Ma'am,
5.
But if you add 3
Ma'am,
plus
5.
2, if you add 3 plus 2, how much will you get?
5. Ma'am, 5.
If you add 3 plus 2, then you will again you will get 5.
5.
2 plus 3 is also 5 and 3 plus 2 is also 5. Okay. But if I say 3 minus 2, what is 3 minus 2?
1.
1.
Ma'am, 1.
But if you subtract 2 minus 3, how much will you get?
0.
Ma'am,
No.
0.
No.
Minus
Who said
1.
0? No.
Ma'am, minus 1.
Yes, somebody is saying minus 1. Yes, very good. Those who are saying minus 1, but we will study about minus 1 in higher classes. But yet now, 2 plus 3 is not equal to 1. It is not equal to 1. If I say 2 minus 3 is equals to 1, this is wrong. Okay. See the difference. What is the difference? If you add 2 plus 3, you get 5. If you add 3 plus 2, then it is also 5. That means if you interchange them, up 2 plus 3 add karo ya 3 plus 2 add karo, answer will be same. But if you subtract 3 minus 2 and 2 minus 3, answer will not be same. Answer is not same. Answer is not same. ठीक है? So what is this? This is known as, ये addition में बेटा ऐसा होता है. This is a fact. that if you add two numbers, you can add them like this also and like this also. So this property is known as commutative property. Which property it is known as?
Property.
Which property it is known as?
Commutative property.
Speak everyone. I want every one of you to speak.
Property.
Commutative property. What is commutative property? If you add these two or these two, इन दोनों को चाहे आप ऐसे ऐड करो या ऐसे ऐड करो, it means the same. The answer will be the same. This is commutative property. Okay, this is the first fact. If you add any two numbers, 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2, answer will be same. Okay, this is fact number 1. This is fact number 1. You know, we use hashtag. This hashtag for what? You know what?
Yes, ma'am.
For what? What is? Yes, Arav. For what we use it? You said yes, ma'am. Abhi, recently you said yes, ma'am. We use that for number. Fact number 1. All right. Yes, Palvini.
Ma'am, I am bring.
I have brought it, okay? And don't speak when I'm teaching you. Fold your arms and look here on the board. I told you many times. Fold your arms and look here on the board. Everyone just look here on the board. Okay, the next is fact number 2. Fact number 2 is, it is associative property. What is an associative property? Dekho. Let's do one thing. Let's add 2 plus 3 first. 2 plus 3 is what? Bracket means we are adding them first. 2 plus 3 is what? What is 2 plus 3?
5.
5. And plus 1. 5. And what is plus 1? 2 plus 3 is 5. And 5 plus 1 is what?
6.
अब I'm doing one thing. अब मैं 2 3 पहले ऐड नहीं करती हूँ. I will not add 2 3 first. I will add 2 and 1 first. अब मैं 2 और 1 पहले ऐड कर रही हूँ. 2 और 1 कितना होता है? How much is 2 and 1?
3.
3 मैंने 3 और ऐड कर दिया. 3 plus 3. Total is 6. 6. पहले क्या ऐड किया था? 2 3. अब पहले क्या ऐड किया? 2 1. So I changed them ना. अच्छा, one more. If I add 3 and 1 first, 3 and 1 first, और फिर उसके बाद 2 ऐड कर रही हूँ. 3 and 1 is what? 4. 4 plus 2 is what? 4 plus 2 is what? 6. This is also 6. This is also 6 and this is also 6 coming. ठीक है? आप बेटा this is equals to this. आप पहले या बाद में कुछ भी ऐड करो. एडिशन में ऐसा होता है, सब्ट्रैक्शन में ऐसा नहीं होता है. ठीक है, आप पहले कुछ भी ऐड करो. आप 3 1 ऐड कर लो, 2 बाद में ऐड करो. If I give you 3 numbers, you have to add 1 2 3. If I say you have to add 1 2 3, इन तीनों को ऐड करना. आप कैसे भी ऐड कर सकते हो कि आप पहले 1 2 ऐड कर लो, फिर 3 ऐड कर लो, पहले 3 ऐड कर लो या बाद में 2 1 2 ऐड कर लो. Any type of things, any one of them you can use. All right. So this property is known as associative. ये fact number 2 is associative. All right. Okay. Let's see the fact number 3. इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता बेटा कि आप पहले ये वाला नंबर लिख लो. For example, if I give you a very big number 3 2 5 9 plus 6 0 3,259 60,185 and 15,150. All right. So if I think I can add them first, पहले मैं इसको लिख लूँ 60,185 and 1,000 1,500 and 150, and then I write this. It's okay. आप ऊपर नीचे आगे पीछे पहले किसी को भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. It doesn't matter in addition. This is the addition fact. Okay, this is known, and which what fact it is known as? Associative. Like 1 plus 2 plus 3, or you is same as 3 plus 2 plus or anything else. Okay, now fact number 3. All right. Fact 3 is if you add 0 to any number, how much will you get?
Ma'am,
If
the
you
same
add 0
number.
to the any number,
Ma'am,
what will
the
you get?
same number. Ma'am, the
Yes,
same number.
the same number. If you add 0 to any number, see, if
Ma'am,
something
number.
is there, if you are there and you are adding nothing to it, 0 means what? What do you mean by 0? What do you mean by 0?
Nothing.
Ma'am, nothing.
0
Ma'am,
means
nothing.
nothing.
Ma'am, nothing.
Okay, if you are adding nothing to
Nothing.
something, if you are adding nothing to something, how much will you get? You will get 0 again. Open your
Same
camera,
number.
Shaurya, Kunal, Kanav, Akhya, Ashutosh, please switch on your camera. Now look here, fact number 3. If you add 0 to any number, suppose anything. Yatharth, if I add 0 to you, how much I will get? Yatharth, if I add 0 to you, how much will I get? If I add 0 to Yatharth, how much will I get?
0.
0 मिलेगा.
0.
यथार्थ तुम में 0 ऐड कर दोगी तो मुझे 0 मिलेगा. Yes, Arhan. If I add 0 to Yatharth, how much will I get?
And you will get only one Yatharth.
Oh, I will get only one Yatharth. Very good. Okay. Yashmit, if I add 0 to you, how much will I get?
Ma'am, 8 Yashmit, because my age is 8 years old.
No, 8. No. This is not the correct one. I don't say 8 years old है Yashmit. ये 5-year-old है Yashmit. ये तो नहीं बोला ना मैंने. I said, what will I get? What will I get if I add 1 Yashmit to, if I add 0 to Yashmit only?
Ma'am, 1.
No,
Yashmit.
acha. I know, not 1. I will get Yashmit only. Okay. So if you add anything to a number, wait a second. If you add, suppose 30 plus 0 is again 30. If you add 0 to any number, the number will remain the same. ठीक है, तो इसको बोलते हैं identity. Fact number 3 is known as identity. Identity means what? Identity means what? Same. ठीक है, identity means same. So identity, it is known as identity, you will get the same number if you add 0 to any number. Now, fact number 4. Okay, if you add 1 to any number, how much will you get?
The next
And
number.
the numbers, the number that
Yes, the next number, or you can say the successor. Very good. If you add 1 to any number, suppose 3 is 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, so 3 के बाद 4 आता है ना, 3 के next 4 आता है, तो 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, or you can say simply the successor. If you add 1 to any number, you will get the next number. All right, now we have to write down these facts on a piece of paper with color so that you may remember these names, and these names are very important. Right, commutative में ये नहीं लिखना 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2. I am telling you what to write. Right, addition facts at the heading. Right, commutative, property first. Commutative property. If you are not able to see, I can share my whiteboard. Just give me a second. Let me share my whiteboard.
The pencil.
Huh? With the
Ma'am, we have
colors, yes, with colors. With any type of colors you want. Any type of colors.
I'm on
Let me share my this board.
We can write with marker.
Anything, beta, it's all up to your choice, how you decorate it and how you do it. It's all up to your choice, the way you want to do it. I've just given all the authorities to you, but the thing is, these things should be mentioned. That's it. Right at the top, addition facts. Right? If you're not able to see from there, you can check it from here. Addition.
can you make more sheet?
Any sheet I say, you can do it anywhere, the way you want it. Okay, let me mention it. Do it anywhere, but it should be a sheet of paper. It's all up to your choice. Do in any sheet of paper. All your choice. Not a big chart, only a small sheet of paper. Any sheet of A4, A3, A2, whatever you want. Okay, you can do it there. It's all up to your choice, and any type of color you want to use, you can use this. Write the first one as commutative property. Spelling of commutative should be correct. That's why I'm not writing on my board, so that if you don't make mistakes. Commutative property. Commutative property. Okay. Then commutative may. Better write like small a. Small a means any type, any number. A plus b is equals to b plus a. Okay. Then you will write one example. For example, you can give any example. I am giving my, you can give yourself. I am giving my example. You can give any example of your choice, whatever you want. I'm giving one example, easy one. 2 plus 3 is equals to 3 plus 2, which is equals to 5. You can give any example of your choice. It's not compulsory कि आपको यही वाला देना है. All right. 4 facts you have to write down, so you can manage it yourself. कैसे मुझे page arrange करना है and all this. Commutative property. Second one is associative property. Spellings should be correct, and you should remember these names. I may ask you any day and any time. What is this property known as? Associative property. Whatever you want to add first, whatever you add second, it's all up to your choice. Give one example of any one of your choice. Second example, I'm not writing, you do it yourself. Don't leave it blank. इसे खाली नहीं छोड़ना है. Second वाला, and many of you, I did not receive your PDFs. Where are your PDFs? There are so many students. I know your names. I can even tell your names ki how many PDFs I have not received.
Ma'am, can I send now?
No, not now. I told you it should be sent between 4 to 6 p.m. only. That's it. It will be lost if you will send it now or during the classes. It should be sent between 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. only. That's it. And I know
Ma'am,
those names.
Ma'am, can we send 12:30 on 12:30?
Can we send where?
Ma'am, PDF.
It should, I told you it should be sent at 4 to 6 p.m. That's it. All right. Next is identity. Take the name of the
Ma'am, we have to write. Ma'am, we have to write with color pencil.
Who is asking me this question? How many times I told you? How many times I told you you can do it on your own way, whatever you want? And keep your cameras on. I can see many cameras off now. A plus 0 is equals to A, identity property. Just take, for example, you can take any number of your choice. For example, में कुछ भी कोई भी एक नंबर ले लो, उसमें 0 ऐड करा के दिखा देना. That's it. Simply write for example and
Can you
write
tell an example of associative
No,
property?
no, beta, you do it yourself. कोई भी 3 numbers ले लो, खुद से करो. Try yourself. Fourth one does not have any name. Just give me a minute. Just simply write if we add 1 Oh, what happened? To any number. बेटा ऐसा सब्ट्रैक्शन में नहीं होता है, ठीक है? ये सारी प्रॉपर्टीज ऐसा नहीं है कि जरूरी नहीं है कि इसका सब्ट्रैक्शन में दियो. We get the next number. Write it. All right, just and keep your cameras on. Let me see what you people are doing. And cameras should be kept in such a position that I can see what you are doing. Yes, Daksh. What about you? Akshda, if you can't see, if you can't open your camera, I think at least you can change your name, Akshda. Rename yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Shaurya, Tyagi, Ashutosh, Pranav, Vamika, what you people are doing, I don't know. Are you sleeping behind the cameras? Or if you are playing the games? Huh, Pranav, what you are doing behind the camera? I don't know whether you are sitting or not. Are you doing the work or not? Atharv Agarwal. Atharv Agarwal, I'll throw you out because you never switch on your camera. Atharv Agarwal and this, Ashutosh. I'll throw you out of the meeting, I'm telling you. Just keep them on. Never kept their cameras on. Oh, just be Pranav. Quick. By the time, let me take your attendance. By the time you are writing, just let me take the attendance of yours. Ayushman and Yashmit, switch off your mics. Quick. Ayushman, keep your mic off. Yes. This is class 4th C. Samar, please switch your mic off, otherwise you will be marked absent. Akhya present, okay, right? Akhya, you were absent for 2 days. Why so? You did not attend these classes. Amrita, she never comes to the class. Amrita absent. And right after Akshita. Akshita present. Moni absent. Sarhan present. Ashwin present. Ashutosh is present. Sarvadirbar. Ashwin present. Sarvadirbar present. Akhil Gupta. Gupta is absent today. Possible. Ayushman. Bhavya. Daksh Pratap Singh. Narveen. It was present. Kanav. Jaskaran, are you present? Jaskaran, you guys just say yes, ma'am. He was present. I don't know where he has gone. Jaskaran, Kanav. Jasrina absent. Kanav present. Kunal Patel present. Kunal, I must appreciate it that you switch on your camera from nowadays. Torshit present. Maisha absent. Naman present. Ojasvi Palvani. Numan absent. Ojaswini Palvani. Parmeet Pranav. Parmeet present. Anshul is absent. Anshul, Parmeet. Pranav, you were absent for the whole 4 days. What happened to you? Huh, Pranav? And you're not switching on your camera. Abhi, now you switched on. What happened to you, Pranav? Wait a second. Class 3. Parmeet के बाद Rasya is present. Rena is present. Sanvi is present. Samar is present. Sanvi, Samar. Samar के बाद Samar, Shaurya Tyagi. Samar, Shaurya Tyagi. Shobit Varshita. Shobit Varshita. Mamika Yashmit Yatharth. Mamika Yashmit Yatharth. And Rajat. Right.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Sakshita.
Ma'am, in the third one, can we write a two-digit number?
Anything of your choice, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
It's all up to you. Let me see how you do it.
Ma'am, I have done something.
All right, Samar, share it on WhatsApp. Let me see how have you done it.
Okay, ma'am.
It's 3. All right. Tomorrow we will start these addition. Okay. Based on this addition patch, we will do some questions. And homework, yes, homework. Everyone, note down your homework. Page 28 in your books, exercise 2.2. Okay, I'm writing in the corner what is your homework. Mentioning it in the corners, so everyone just do it. Homework. With the red pen, I'm writing red name. Let me take another color. Which color should I take? Yes, green. Stop it.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Open your cameras quick. Why your cameras are not on? This is your homework, and this is very simple homework. You just need to add them. Beta Samarth, have you done it on your maths notebook? Beta, do it on any sheet of paper. I
Oh,
told
ma'am, I have
you.
not done it on the maths notebook.
Beta, take it out. Take this paper out. Okay, out of the notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, who is this? Good. Good, Shaurya Tyagi, very good.
Ma'am, I also send.
Okay, let me check it. I got Shaurya Tyagi's. Okay, Sanvi, I got it. Wait. Sanvi, beta, who will write down the examples? Acha, Shaurya, you have not also written these examples. Shaurya, Shaurya, what happened to you? What is happening to you these days, beta? हाँ शौर्य आजकल आप कैमरा भी नहीं ऑन कर रहे ओपन योर कैमरा क्विक शौर्य आई वांट टू टॉक टू यू Where is Shaurya? Shaurya, what is happening to you these days, beta? I think you're not studying these days. Is it so? Daksh Pratap Singh, sit properly. Daksh Pratap Singh, sit straight. हाँ शौर्य you're not studying these days बच्चे मुझे दिख रहा है थोड़ा थोड़ा I can see in your notebooks and can find it out क्या वो पढ़ने का मन नहीं हो रहा आजकल शौर्य is it so नहीं हो रहा है
Ma'am, हो रहा है.
okay बेटा why are you not listening I'm not saying you're doing bad but जैसे आप परफॉर्म करते हो ना excellent way में वो नहीं आ रहा आजकल Shaurya, just write down the examples also, okay, beta? And I hope you will do well
Okay,
from
ma'am.
next time. जैसे पहले वाला शौर्य त्यागी है ना, I want that one. Sanvi, write examples also.
Huh?
Sanvi, write down the examples also yourself. Beta, why all of you are not writing down the example yourself? Mokshit, write the associative properties example. And here also beta last वाले में भी example लिखो. Last वाले में नहीं लिखा आप लोगों ने example. Mokshit, write example of this one also. For example, if I'm taking for my example, if you can say 253 56 plus 1 is equals to 357. That's it. Like this, you have to give any example. Sanvi, you also give all the examples. It is compulsory to give the examples. Okay, who is this? Kanav. Very good, Kanav. Very nice. He has given all the examples and looking also nice. Beta Kunal, decorate it and do it on a sheet of paper. You should decorate it. Kunal, just decorate it also. Yes, Shaurya. Now you have done this Shaurya Tyagi's work. This is known as Shaurya Tyagi's work. Be quick. And keep your cameras on. All right, Yashmit. Very good, Yashmit. Yashmit, जो आपने B plus C is equals to D लिखा है ना, don't write that. Rub it. Last वाले में. Otherwise everything is okay. But वो जो last वाला है ना, just correct it. And stick this paper somewhere near wherever you study, near your wall or any table. Whenever you see this facts, you every time you see these facts, तो आपकी समझ आना चाहिए. Okay. Okay, who made this? This is very nice. Akshada. Good, Akshada. Akshada, fourth property you have not written. Acha, she might be sending. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm sending.
Okay. Yes, beta, homework to page 28, exercise question 1 to 9 and do in book only. Not in notebook. Do not do in notebook. Do it in book only. That's it. वो already mentioned है सारे के सारे. You just need to add them. बस. That's it. Kanav, Ayushman, Bhamika, open your cameras quick. Yes, Akshada, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Ayushman, I can't see anything properly, beta. First of all, remove this box. And I must, few of you have, Shobhit, I think Shobhit was there, who sent me the picture, beta. Whenever you click the picture, just crop the surroundings. जो आसपास चीजें आती है ना, उसको crop कर दिया करते हैं. ठीक है? When you make a PDF, you just crop the things which are coming from the surroundings. Just click the picture of only paper. और paper की भी पूरी image आनी चाहिए. All right? Full image of paper. ये नहीं, और बहुत ऊपर से नहीं लेते हैं. I've seen many of you just clicking the picture from up. Just bring it closer to the paper, then click the picture. And please send your PDF by today itself. If you want me to tell the names कि मेरे पास किस की PDF नहीं आई है, let me tell you the names. Let me tell you those names. Okay, I did not receive Arav, Agrita, Amoli, Arhan, Ashray, Ashutosh.
I will send my PDF today.
What is your name? Tell me your name.
Ma'am, sorry.
Sure. अच्छा नहीं, शौर्य का तो I have checked it. Arhan, Ashray, Arav, Daksh, Harveen, Jasreena, Kanav, Kunal, Mokshit, Naisha, Niman, Ojasvi, Palvini,